Hey guys, Lauren here from the Sephora in Chicago on Michigan Avenue. Today I'm bringing you guys my Get Unready with Me nighttime skincare routine for dry skin. To see how I treat and hydrate my skin, keep watching. I love to double cleanse. The first cleanser I use in my nightly routine is the Kapari Coconut Cleansing Oil. I love my makeup, but at the end of the day, I don't want to fight to get it off. This cleanser breaks up all of my makeup, waterproof included. I generally apply 1 to 2 pumps on dry skin. I like to really massage and work it into my skin. Once I've rubbed it in pretty well, I'll add a little water to my hands to emulsify the oil, then rinse it away. My second cleanse is Dr. Jart's Dermaclear Micro Gel Cleanser. Because I'm dry, a lot of gel cleansers tend to leave my skin feeling a little tight. This cleanser does not do that. It has a gel to foam technology that has moisturizing capsules that hydrate and remove impurities. I like to take a little less than a dime size of this gel, damp it, and massage it all over my skin. My skin always feels extremely soft and hydrated after using this cleanser. For my next step, I love Sunday Riley's Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. I put this treatment everywhere, face, neck, and décolleté. I love it because it gives me daily exfoliation, but it's not harsh on the skin. For my eye cream, I'm going to go in with Peter Thomas Roth's Potency Power Eye Cream. Recently, darkness under my eyes has become a concern for me. I like that this eye cream packs a powerful punch of vitamin C to brighten and is also hydrating. I'm using a small amount on my ring finger and softly tapping it around my eye. Next up in my skincare routine is Lancer's Omega Hydrating Oil. When applying, I like to warm this into the palm of my hands and press it into my skin. I like to lock in the moisture from everything I've put underneath with this oil. It's very concentrated, as you can see, so a little goes a very long way. It's packed full of nourishing oils and fatty acids that boost hydration. I like to apply an oil before my moisturizer because I'm super dry. Applying this oil gives me that extra punch of hydration that I need. For moisturizer, I'm using Dr. Roebuck's No Worries Hydrating Face Moisturizer. I really like the texture of this cream. It's an anti-aging moisturizer that helps soften and brighten the skin. I'm applying this to my face, neck, and décolleté as well. This next product changed my lashes' life. Grande Cosmetics Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. I apply this the same way I would a liquid liner. I swipe a thin layer across the base of my lash line and wait for it to dry. I noticed a difference in the thickness and length of my lashes in just weeks. The final step of my nighttime skin routine is hydrating my lips. I'm using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Just like my skin, my lips can get a little dry. This lip mask is great for rehydrating and softening my lips after a day of wearing a liquid matte lipstick. All right, you guys, there it is, my nighttime routine for treating and hydrating my dry skin. In the comments below, let me know what products you like to use to treat and hydrate your skin. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys soon.